I'm going to take you through some of the reasons why we think Business Central is awesome. First of all, everything you need is just a click away. You can see here the homepage with all of the links along the bottom, and if we scroll down, we can see insights such as business performance and Power BI. Navigation is super easy. I can use this link at the top to type in what I'm looking for and go straight through to the page that I'm interested in. Reason number 2 is that it's so easily customizable. We can go onto this link here and change to a list view, which shows us a bit more information. If we want to see even more information, I can click Personalize and can add or remove fields that I want to see more information about. This click and drag feature makes it super easy to customize the view. Reason number 3 is the integration with Excel. When looking at the customer list, you can see that the phone number entry is blank, and I want to make an update to that. If I go ahead and hit Edit in Excel here, that's going to download the customer list. I can open this in Excel and see all the customers in there. I can input the phone number, hit Publish, and that's going to update Business Central Live. Now, when you go back to Business Central and hit Refresh, you'll see phone numbers have now been updated. Reason number 4 is the integration with Outlook. So, let's have a look at this mailbox. If we go in here, you can see they've just had an email that says, "Can I please have a quote for 5 monitors?" This employee can go straight into Business Central through the link here. From there, I can go ahead and create a sales quote with the plugin running in the background, reading that email saying the customers asked for a quote for 5 monitors. I can hit Yes, which will then create a pop-up. I can check all the key information, including the 5 monitors that have come across, and then I can send it by email. You can see here all that information has been translated directly across onto the email. I can hit Send, and I've immediately replied. Reason number 5 is around communicating information to the team. When I go onto this customer, I copy their link, go into Teams, paste the link there, and the information about the customer is pulled across directly from Business Central to Teams, which is great when discussing clients in the Teams environment. And those are just 5 reasons why we think Business Central is so awesome. Take the next step and see if this implementation strategy could be right for you. We offer a fixed fee implementation package, so you know how much the project will cost. Get your business up and running quickly and easily on Business Central.